Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Google Japan. Today I'm at Google Cloud Next Tokyo 2025. I'd like to share a little bit about what's happening here today. For those who don't know, I'm Japan's most well-known Google Workspace YouTuber. And this time, Google Cloud Japan invited me to be here in Tokyo at Google Workspace booth. I'm sharing the benefits of Google Workspace, how to use AppSeed to build apps with no code and various AI use cases. And also, I'm highlighting the real-world examples from my YouTube channel. For example, I shared how a famous Japanese airline maintenance facilities completely transformed its operation using only Google Workspace. And I also spoke about how to approach digital transformation based on my experiences. Now, what do you think this atmosphere here?
It's amazing.
Yes.
A lot of people coming, participating in your booth, total success.
In Japan, we are seeing a steady increase in Google Workspace users. The main reason is the ability to collaborate in real time, seamlessly share information. So, however, Japan has a long way to go when it comes to adapting cloud-based work. Many companies still rely on closed systems in this time, but I'm proud to be a Google Workspace YouTuber leading the change here in Japan. So by the way, the standard features of Google Cloud Next Tokyo 2025 is definitely the AI. While Gemini was a bit challenging to use in the past, but it's now seamlessly integrated within Google Workspace. So many powerful features like Gemini, Deep Research, Canvas, and Notebook LM are all available to users. I'm so happy to keep sharing real-world examples from Japan with a global audience. I also have a dream to one day speak globally how Google Workspace revolutionizes business efficiency. So I hope to be a speaker at Google Cloud Next in the US someday. So Google, please give me a chance. I'm waiting for the opportunity. So Naruto, do you have any comments?
Yes, Google, we are waiting for the opportunity.
Yes, we are waiting for you. So, all right, everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time from Japan, Google Cloud Next Tokyo 2025.